Hello friends, welcome back to IQ Nest. In today's video, we would be discussing about some basic and fundamental concepts in chemistry. So this video will be the part 3 in this series, and in our previous video, that is in part 2, we already discussed about the periodic table in chemistry and various elements. So as part of part 3, we would be sharing some important facts related to the various elements in periodic table, and that would be helpful for you. So friends, before we start, if you haven't watched our previous video, please do watch those videos, and if you like it, please subscribe and support us. Okay friends, so without further delay, let's start with today's topic, that is the important facts about various elements in chemistry. So to start with the first point is all transitive elements are metals, and transition elements also form colored compounds. Next point is mercury is a liquid transition element. Mercury is also a metal that is liquid at room temperature. It is also the first non-superconductor. Next is bromine is a liquid non-metal at room temperature. So bromine and mercury are thus two elements that are liquid at room temperature. So please remind this point that there are two elements which remains as liquid at room temperature. The elements are bromine and mercury. And the next point, element cesium, that is Cs, rubidium Rb, francium Fr, and gallium Ga becomes liquid at or just above the room temperature. Next point, mercury is used as a thermometric fluid as it has high coefficient of expansion. Hence, the slightest change of temperature is notable when it is used in thermometer. The next point, mercury also has high boiling point, which makes it suitable to measure high temperatures. Also, mercury has a shiny appearance and doesn't stick to the glass surface of the thermometer. Mercury is a metal with lowest melting point, that is minus 39 degrees Celsius. The next point, tungsten has the highest melting point, that is 3422 degrees Celsius, that is 3422 degrees Celsius. That is the melting point of tungsten. The next point, cesium is the metal used in atomic clocks. It is also the metal which shows least expansion. Cesium is the most electropositive stable element as well. The next point is radium is used in the dials of clocks. Radium and polonium were discovered by Marie Curie. So she is a Nobel Prize winner. The next point, fluorine is the element which has highest electronegativity, while francium and cesium are one of the least electronegative. So fluorine is the element which has highest electronegativity in the periodic table, and francium and cesium is one of the least electronegative elements. Next point, strontium is the element used in firecrackers to get sparkling red color flame. So strontium is used in firecrackers. The next point, calcium is the element used in firecrackers to get orange flames. Barium is the element used in green flames in fireworks. Barium has a high reactivity with oxygen, and hence it is stored in oil usually. So the strontium makes red color, calcium makes orange flames, and barium green flames. The next point, sodium is the element used to get yellow flames in fireworks. So again, the fourth element which makes colored flames. The next point, lithium is kept wrapped in paraffin wax, cannot be stored in kerosene oil because it is the lightest metal and it floats on its surface and react with air. The next point, sodium and potassium are kept in kerosene due to their high reactivity in contact with water. Sodium and potassium are also known as soft metals. So, which of the metals are known as soft metal? The answer is sodium and potassium. The next point, lithium is the strongest reducing agent while hydrogen is the weakest reducing agent. So lithium is the strongest reducing agent and hydrogen is the weakest. The next point, liquid sodium is used as coolant in nuclear reactors. Sodium is also used to regulate blood pressure. The next point, fluorine is the element which has highest electronegativity while francium and cesium are one of the least electronegative. Then magnesium is a central component of chlorophyll which allows absorption of sunlight during photosynthesis. Magnesium acts as a phosphorus carrier in plants and is essential for phosphate metabolism. So magnesium, chlorine, sodium and bromine are elements extracted from sea water. The next point, gold, platinum and silver are elements which exist in free state in atmosphere. So gold, platinum and silver, these metals exist in free state atmosphere. The next point, gold used to make ornaments of 22 carat, that is 916 gold. Gold present in 22 carat gold is 91.6%. So 91.6% gold is presented in 22 carat gold. So the pure gold is 24 carat. Gold has very high malleability and ductility, and that is why it is used to make the ornaments. The next point, silver and copper are the best conductor of electricity while lead shows the lowest electrical conductivity. The next point, gold and silver can be separated by cyanide process. Gold and silver are the most malleable metal. Next point, osmium is used at the tip of fountain pen. Osmium is also the densest metal in the periodic table. The next point, gold is known as king of metals. Platinum is known as little silver or white gold. Titanium is known as metal of future or wonder metal or strategic metal. Next, mercury is known as quicksilver. Magnesium is known as chemical sun. Sulfur is also known as brimstone. Iridium is known as rainbow metal. And copper was first metal used by man. So again, we will be seeing the different names of these metals again. So gold is known as king of metal, platinum is known as little silver or white gold, titanium is known as metal of future, wonder metal or strategic metal, mercury is known as quicksilver, magnesium is known as chemical sun, sulfur is known as brimstone, and iridium is known as rainbow metal. Also, the copper is the first metal which is used by man. So the next point is aluminium is amphoteric. So what is an amphoteric? So an amphoteric compound is a molecule or ion that can react both as acid and as a base. So aluminium is amphoteric since it can react both as acid and base. Thus aluminium shows properties of both acid and base. Aluminium is used to make CDs is also used in reflecting telescopes. So aluminium is being used in CDs and reflecting telescopes. Lead is used in storage batteries and as an anti-knocking agent in petrol. Tin and lead are the elements mainly used to make safety fuse wire. Solder is the alloy of tin and lead which is used to make safety wire. The next point, titanium is used to make parts of aircraft. Smallest atom based on atomic radius is that of helium, while based on atomic mass, hydrogen atom is the smallest. So based on the atomic radius, helium is the smallest atom, but based on the atomic mass, hydrogen is the smallest. The next point, largest atom is that of francium, while simplest atom is that of hydrogen. So francium as the largest atom and hydrogen as the simplest atom. The next point, lightest gas is hydrogen and the atomic weight of hydrogen is 1.00784 atomic mass units, and helium is the lightest gas after hydrogen. The next point, densest gas in the periodic table is radon. The atomic weight of radon is 222 atomic mass unit. The next point, hydrogen produces the largest number of compounds and it is a non-metal which shows metallic character. The next point, hydrogen is the element which is present in all acids. Hydrogen has the second lowest boiling point, that is minus 252.9 degrees Celsius, and it has a melting point of minus 259.2 degrees Celsius and among all substances. The next point, neon gas is used in advertising signs and in discharge tube glow light. Neon was discovered by Ramsay and Travers. Argon was discovered by Rayleigh and Ramsay, a mixture of mostly argon and some nitrogen. Or sometimes kryptons are used in incandescent lamps. The next point, hydrogen burns with a blue color. Hydrogen is used in making vanaspati ghee by hydrogenation of vegetable oil. Hydrogen is explosive in nature and hence hydrogen fuel is not used in domestic purposes. Liquid hydrogen is used in rockets. Hydrogen is considered as fuel of the future. Hydrogen is a fuel which doesn't cause pollution. Hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish. Hydrogen and oxygen were named by Lavoisier. Sea divers use a mixture of helium and oxygen for respiration. Nitrogen was discovered by Daniel Rutherford. Nitrogen is the main element of protein. Helium is an inert gas which shows highest thermal conductivity. It was discovered by Lockyer and Janssen. Helium is used in atmospheric balloons because of its non-inflammable capabilities. Helium and argon gases are used in welding. Krypton is known as hidden gas and xenon is known as stranger gas. So what is hidden gas? Hidden gas is krypton and stranger gas is xenon. The next point, lithium is the lightest element and the most reductant element in the periodic table. Mercury and iron provide resistance in the flow of electric current. Mercury is kept in iron vessels because it does not make amalgams with iron. Chlorine is used to prepare PVC, insecticides, herbicides, etc. Other than radon, other inert gases are present in atmosphere. Those are helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. Next point, phosphorus is present in bones and DNA. It is also an essential constituent of nucleic acid. The next point, bromine is used in ethylene bromide synthesis, which is mixed with leaded petrol. Bromine is also used for preparing silver bromide, which is used in photography. And the last point, chlorine acts as a bleaching agent and the bleaching action of chlorine is permanent. So friends, these are the important facts related to the elements present in periodic table. So that's it for today. So if you like this video and if you feel that this video is informative, please like it and subscribe our channel. Also please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos that will be uploaded in this channel. So friends, I will meet you again with another informative video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.